fresh out of ideas, trying to find creative inspiration, but feel like every single website you come across these days kind of looks the exact same. Maybe you're wanting to see how the pros do it, building a site that not just is visually engaging, but also actually effective for the business. That is exactly what you're gonna get in today's video. A fantastic helping of creative inspiration from some of the best designers out there. Today, I'm gonna show you 4 fantastically creative and unique websites, all built by past web design students of mine. So let's not wait a moment longer and get into the designs. Okay, so the first website we have is the Erin Summer website, and this thing is incredible. When you come to this website, you immediately can tell what this is all about and the vibe of this website. It says, joyful, colorful designs with the dash of whimsy and wonder. Discover the latest art prints designed with heart, soul, and a sense of humor and rainbows. And then shop art prints. So the call to action is really clear. Exactly what you're getting is really clear. The vibe of the business, and therefore the vibe of the art prints, is also super, super clear. The calls to action are beautiful. I did create a video on the 60-30-10 rule for colors in a website. This website is breaking that rule 100% in the most perfect way possible. I feel like when you start off as a website designer, this was made by the wonderful Curly Creative. I will link that down for you below if you want to check out more of her work. This website is breaking that rule because the designer is so good that she can break that rule, if that makes any sense. So once you know the rules and you understand them, you can totally break them. So we have a little bit about the studio, and then we go down to the actual art prints itself, and then it can go to the shop page to shop them. We have a little bit of social proof here with the brand partners, which is fantastic, and then following along on Instagram, and a little bit of action and dynamicness happening in the bottom left-hand corner. So again, absolutely incredible website. This is, I think, one of the coolest, most creative things on the internet right now. And then we go over to a second website also created by Curly Creative. And this one is Victoria's Stories. So again, an art print website, again, very clear on exactly what is offered here, but this is slightly different. It again has a very colorful, fun vibe to it, but it's for travel lovers across the globe. We have our social proof area, then we have the option to shop the prints, and even like a selection or a package of different prints that all fit together beautifully. We have some Greece and some Italy. Just looks unbelievable. The calls to action, the pricing, everything is so clear that we have a little bit about exactly the lady who's taking the photos, and then just such a fun website. So much going on here, but in the perfect way. It's also divided really well so we can see the different sections. It's all clear as to what should be happening on the website, where we should be going on the website. Just brings across the vibe and the whole idea of exactly what this is. It's all about travel. It's all about art prints and just having really fun artwork. It's so clear as to how exactly to do that. The last thing which I'm loving about this website, just something which I really like, I think it's a design style which I'm a big fan of, is having the kind of wavy bits or the sections being divided up in really creative ways instead of just being a straight horizontal line. And also the fact that there's something dynamic happening here which leads you towards the thing which they want you to do, which is to insert your email, is fantastic. Okay, and so the next 2 websites that I have for you are designed by Porta Blue Designs, and again, I will link that for you below the video. And this one is for a speech and language therapist. Now, this is so exceptionally well done. She's clearly, most often, working with children. And so the colors that she has, the font that she's using, the little designs in the background, and also the image is making very clear that she's a very child-focused business. And then as we go through, we see the image of the therapist who we're going to be working for. So that's building a lot of trust with seeing the actual face. I feel like so often people say I or me, but they don't have the picture. Then we go on to how exactly she can help, which is fantastic. And then the different options. We have one-to-one therapy, virtual coaching, you can do phone, you can do Zoom, customized services, and then such a clear call to action. Free virtual consult in big, bold letters and a whole section for it. And then we have her pointing to the form. So very clearly it's, what you're supposed to be doing next. Then we have all of our kind words. So that's giving a little bit of social proof there, which we can scroll through and read. And then scrolling on down to the Instagram. This is just beautifully, beautifully done. Colors are fantastic. The creativity, the making it clear this is for kids, but also serious enough that an adult, the adults are the one actually booking this and everything, just building that trust with the, her face frequently throughout the website, and then also making so clear what you're supposed to do. I think this is an exceptionally well-designed homepage. And then finally, we go on to Sidelight Wines. So this is beautiful. Again, very clear what exactly we can purchase on this website. We can purchase some beautiful wines. I think having the giant mock-up of the wine bottle is fantastic. And that the fact that the colors in the website and the sky here are relevant to the colors on the bottle and the label is beautiful. We can shop right there. We scroll on a little bit further down and we learn more about the different options and the different wines. You can see exactly where it's grown. It looks gorgeous. And then when I click into one of the wines itself, we have, again, gorgeous mock-up of the item right there, where it's from, California, beautiful. It's a rosé. We scroll down, we hear a little bit about the actual wine itself and that specific year and everything. And then we can go ahead, we can either shop it or meet the winemakers. In terms of, again, color and design, I think that this website is killing it in terms of like consistency across their images and their wines and everything. So it's beautiful. And then when we go to actually shop the item, it's very simplistic, very easy to add it to our cart and to order this bottle. And just so simplistic and straightforward, a little bit of information about the shipping and everything is fantastic. So this is just an extremely clear, simplistic website, which is beautifully, beautifully designed. So you can shop the wine super easily. So yeah, I feel like all these websites, which I'm showing today, these have truly gone above and beyond in terms of design and strategy of the website. They're really clear as to what action you should be taking, who it's for, and the whole vibe of the company. And so I think these are beautifully done. If you're also looking to take those first steps towards building your own web design business so you can create work as fantastic as this for your own clients, then your next step is to learn to build strategy-infused websites. Building pretty websites is one thing, but building sites that will grow your clients' businesses is quite another. When you can master this and prove to your clients with results that their web design investment with you had an amazing return, that is when you'll get all of those raving reviews and referrals in the future. So if you want to learn more about website strategy, then right after this, you need to check out my free training on 4 simple steps to double your site sales. You can use this for your own website, and you can also use these hacks for your clients' websites. I will link that for you up above and also in the description below.